A cordless drill is super useful if you're a keen DIYer or just fix things when they break. It's like a must-have in your toolkit for any home project. But with so many options, it's hard to know which one is worth it. So here's a list of the 7 best cordless drills that work great. At first, we have the Milwaukee M12 fuel hammer drill. This tool stands out as the most powerful subcompact drill driver, having unparalleled compactness and speed under load. Its brushless motor ensures superior power for a wide range of applications, while its compact 5.9-inch length provides optimal access to tight spaces. With RedLink plus intelligence, this drill offers top-notch thermal performance, enabling the fastest speed under load for rapid drilling and driving. Powered by M12 battery packs, it delivers extended work per charge and pack life. Additionally, its all-metal chuck and gear case ensure unmatched durability, while the mechanical clutch provides consistent torque for fastener driving. Overall, the Milwaukee M12 drill driver combines power, compactness, and durability in one single package. The Hilti Neuron SBT6-22 cordless drill driver is crafted to revolutionize productivity by streamlining and expediting fastening to steel tasks. This comprehensive system, which includes the SBT HL stud and the SBT 6-22 cordless drill, is meticulously designed to elevate operator work quality. With advanced settings and control features, the Nuron cordless drill facilitates more precise drilling, significantly reducing wasted time from unnecessary drilling. Moreover, it boasts exceptional durability, extending bit life even in the most demanding steel applications. By simplifying workflows and ensuring accuracy, this innovative system empowers your team to tackle fastening tasks efficiently and effectively. A professional cordless drill offers unmatched performance and versatility, delivering more work with no limits. Its next-level compactness, combined with a powerful brushless motor, ensures strong performance while maintaining easy handling and operation. The high-efficiency brushless motor not only extends work hours, but also prolongs the tool's lifespan. With a maximum working speed of up to 1,900 RPM, it excels in screw driving in wood or drilling in both wood and metal, even in narrow spaces. Equipped with an 18.0-volt lithium-ion battery, this drill provides reliable power for various tasks. With torque settings of 20+1 and a chuck capacity ranging from 1.5 to 13 millimeters, it offers precise control and versatility. Whether it's drilling into wood or metal or driving screws, the Bosch is a reliable companion for professional users. Introducing the Metabo 3-speed drill, the BS18LTX 3BLQI metal. But is it truly the ultimate performer for metal drilling? With its promise of being the most efficient 3-speed drill in its class, could it revolutionize your drilling experience? Boasting 4,000 RPM for unmatched drilling performance, could it handle even the toughest metal surfaces with ease? And with the best-in-class chuck providing the highest clamping force, along with the new quick-release system, Quick Plus, and integrated anti-kickback function, could it offer the precision and safety you've been searching for in your drilling tasks? This is the Makita GPH02 XGT hammer driver drill, a tough, handy cordless drill made for demanding drilling and driving tasks in wood, masonry, and metal. Its hammer drill mode delivers a percussive motion, ideal for concrete or masonry applications, while its compact size ensures suitability for tight spaces. Powered by a Makita-built brushless motor, it delivers 585 inch-pounds of max torque, so you can handle all your demanding tasks with ease. Plus, with 2-speed settings, this tool offers great versatility and control for every job. The ultra-smooth, variable speed trigger enhances precision. Engineered to withstand harsh conditions, it features extreme protection technology for increased dust and water resistance, along with a reinforced gear housing and all-metal gear transmission for added durability. Now, here comes the DeWalt CD701 subcompact drill driver, a precision tool that is specifically made for small pilot holes and up to 20mm drill bits into timber. With a compact size of just 152 millimeters, it easily fits into tight spaces while delivering 57.5 Newton-meters of torque and a 2-speed transmission for efficient performance. Its bright LED light illuminates work areas, ensuring visibility in low light conditions. Equipped with an efficient brushless motor, this drill offers 15% more runtime than previous models, making it reliable for extended use. Weighing only 0.9 kilograms, it's highly portable and easy to handle. Plus, the 15-position adjustable torque control ensures consistent screw driving into different materials. At the same time, the 10mm single-sleeve keyless chuck with automatic spindle lock allows quick and easy bit changes, making the DCD 701 a versatile and user-friendly drill driver. Looking for a cordless percussion drill that can turbocharge your drilling tasks? Meet the Flex PD 2G18.0 ECHD. This cordless drill offers up to 27% higher rotation speed for efficient performance. With a maximum torque of 158 Newton-meters, it allows efficient screwing, drilling, and percussion drilling, even in extreme applications. The direct switching mechanism retains the selected torque setting when transitioning from drilling to impact drilling function, ensuring consistent results. The turbo mode enables the cordless impact drill to achieve an impressive impact rate of 40,000 per minute, facilitating rapid work progress. This drill is a reliable companion for professionals seeking high-speed, high-torque performance in a variety of applications. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.